We are ready. If Mr. Wenzel as well is ready, we would like to hear about tournament as well. Mr. Wenzel, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you, well. It is
welcome to studio also. Yes?
It is amazing and a historical moment in the life of CONIFA, and we are so excited about this ceremony today.
Thank you. And we are ready. Simge, if you are ready,
Yes, of course.
We can kick for the draw if you want.
Yes, now we have Africa Cup draw ceremony.
Yes, finally, and now we're gonna start this year's Africa Cup draw ceremony. Just before we begin our draw, I would like to also announce the names of the teams. Biafra, Yoruba Nation, Pro Arena Sports, and Mata Belaland. We have 4 teams, as we can see on the board. Now it's time for draw. Simge, ladies first.
Of course, let's start by saying good luck all teams first of all. And yes, we are also very exciting.
Yes, Mr. Blin and Mr. Wenzel, dear President and Vice President, we are ready and now we are making the first
name.
Draw.
Pro Arena Sports.
Pro Arena Sports. Yes, we find out the first team, Pro Arena Sports. And next one. Okay, the second one.
Yes.
And the second team in my hands now. Yoruba Nation.
Yes.
Second team is Yoruba Nation. First team was Pro Arena Sports and the second one is Yoruba Nation. Both teams are matched between each other and now we know the next 2 teams, but also let's continue.
Okay.
Last 2 teams we know. Biafra and Mata Belaland.
Yes, Mata Belaland
Mata Belaland
will play.
13 from the pot. And the 4th one.
And Biafra.
Yes, the 4th team in my
I
hands
love
now.
that.
Biafra Football Federation.
Yes.
Yes, we have 4 teams from the pot. Pro Arena Sports and Yoruba Nation has been matched, and Mata Belaland versus Biafra. We wish both teams good luck. Simge, what do you think?
Yes, it is really exciting. Again, I hope they will good luck all teams.
Yes, we can see yes, okay, we can continue with the next video. By the way, if Mr. President and Vice President, can you hear us? I would like to learn about your opinion. What about your comments? What would you like to say about this match?
We have 4 amazing teams, and with the exception of Mata Belaland, all the other 3 teams will be debuting teams, so we are very much excited about this matchups.
Okay, thanks for your comment. And Mr. President?
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, I can only agree with Christoph. It's 4 amazing teams. These 4 teams actually together represent 176 million people. If you look at Mata Belaland, it's approximately 6.2 million people. The Biafra community holds more or less 65 million people. We have the Yoruba, so somewhere between 40 to 50 million people, and the Pro Arena Sport that actually represents all the people in South.
What's it before now?
Is approximately 60 million people. And when it comes to Mata Belaland, we played in a tournament in 2018 and became the fans
Oldu sonra,
favorite
oldu sonra.
because they not only celebrated and were huge ambassadors for Africa on the pitch, but they were also amazing ambassadors off the pitch, where they really embraced all people coming to the arena. So I'm 100% convinced that the Africa Cup will be a huge show and a huge amusement for everyone that will come to Paris and follow the games, also online.
Yes, thank you very much for your comments. We will continue with the next cup draw, but at the end of this part, we would like to see the team names on the board one more time. Yes, we will. Okay, we will have a look at the end of the ceremony. Now it's time for the next cup ceremony.
Yes, it's time for women.
Yes, Women World Cup.